Also, today was sentencing day for a Fairfax County teenager whom police say assaulted several female students inside Fairfax High School.
Yeah, a judge sentenced Israel Flores Ortiz to roughly a year in an adult facility. Our Dominique Moody walks us through what happened in court today.
Inside a Fairfax County courtroom, 18-year-old Israel Flores Ortiz was sentenced to 180 days for each of the 9 charges that he was found guilty of. A Fairfax County judge suspended 140 days per charge.
It is somebody who systematically assaulted a group of young girls in schools, which we of course find unacceptable.
The sentence comes after Fairfax County police say they received allegations of multiple incidents of physical assault on female students. Investigators say the suspect at the center of the groping allegations was Flores Ortiz, a Fairfax High School student. All of the victims in this case were under the age of 18. The Department of Homeland Security also chimed in on the case after claiming that the suspect was in the U.S. without legal status and urging Fairfax County not to release Flores Ortiz. Today in court, Flores Ortiz's defense attorney argued that the case had been politicized by DHS and shared what he believed was the best sentencing for his client, saying, quote, "My defendant takes responsibility for his actions and has accepted what he has done, and my client is years away from being fully developed." But the Commonwealth's attorney argued back, saying, quote, "The defendant's actions were deplorable, targeted, exhibited a pattern, and incarceration is warranted." Before the sentencing, Flores Ortiz said, quote, "I apologize to the girls and their families, and I also want to apologize to my family and my parents. I know I have brought shame and embarrassment to my parents for my actions. I am sorry." Attorney Dimitri Pikralidas, who represented one of the clients, reacting to the court's decision.
It's the vulnerability and the fact that she was touched in a school setting, and that shouldn't have happened. So it goes on beyond today. My job is to make sure it never happens again. This is not going to go away for my client.
As the judge handed down the sentence, she talked about the impact of Israel's actions on the victims, saying, quote, "Those in the community have a right to feel safe, and your actions violated them. This incident and your actions changed how they move through life."
Our office is all about keeping our community safe and doing justice.
In Fairfax County, Dominique Moody, News 4.
Now, in a statement, Fairfax County Public Schools tells us they're thankful to law enforcement for their dedication in bringing this investigation to a conclusion. FCPS says it has retained an independent outside law firm to conduct a comprehensive review of this matter.